how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So, if you want to find someone but you don't know their name, but there is an alternative way you can do. So, if you want to know, then make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes in the process. First thing first, open the Instagram application. At the bottom, you can see different icon. Simply tap on the search icon, and on the top, tap on the search bar and type in places. So once you search for places, you can see at the top when you swipe to the left, the places option, tap on places. And here are the list of various places. You can simply go and search for the places. You can select any location and can find various accounts. Let's tap on Nepal Tourist Places. Let's go back. Here are more. You just have to find account to the timeline of the post. Once you find out, you can simply send them a follow request, or else you can also search by their ID if you don't find by the places or the locations. So in this way, you can easily find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.